Kino Collagen Vanilla Chocolate Chip Peanut Butter Cookies on the way. So for this recipe, we're going to be using vanilla Kino Collagen, some peanut butter, and we're going to be using 1 egg, some vanilla extract, some oat flour. If you don't have oat flour, just get some plain oats and blend them. We're going to add in some stevia chocolate chips and some baking soda. Okay, so we're going to start by getting a bowl, and we're going to start adding in all the dry ingredients. Here I'm using vanilla Kino Collagen. I use 2 scoops, a bit of baking soda, and some peanut butter. You could also use almond butter if you have. Vanilla extract, you're gonna crack 1 egg. Now we're gonna get a spatula and we're gonna start mixing this well. Then you could finish off using your hands, roll into a ball, and then you're gonna roll out 6 cookies. Pat down with a spatula and then add on the 30 grams of low sugar chocolate chips. Bake these in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay, so here they are, right out of the oven, nice and warm. Get your Kino Collagen. Don't forget the Movie Star Chef recipe cookbook. All the links down in the description. Follow, like, share, and I'll see you next time.